Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co daily analysis for the S&P 500 for the trading day ending Wednesday, January 15th, 2014. Well, a trading day where the buyers have come back into this market quite solidly, and a good answer to the very strong sell-off that we saw for the previous day's trading when the sellers had very tight control of this market and were strongly committed. Today the buyers have come back, not in equal measure, but a very good answer to the selling that we saw for the previous day. A white body candle suggesting that the buyers have made a decent amount of net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close, as opposed to the sellers making net bearish progress for the previous day, and a day where the market has closed up towards the high, suggesting that the buyers have closed with control and they've shown strong commitment throughout the whole trading day. And this suggests that there is a possibility of this market trading to higher levels. Obviously resistance close by around this 1843, 1845 level, a previous swing high that the market was selling off from just a couple of days ago and for yesterday, so that may be a barrier to the market, and then the major high around 1849 may act as a barrier. In terms of the downside here, obviously the support at the 1813 level has come into play, and we see here that it was a swing high that was tested on a couple of occasions back in late November and early December, and from here we've seen the buyers come in, and we've seen once again how previous resistance can change its role and turn into support. So that's what we're seeing here. Now technically we don't have any change of trend at the moment. If you recall yesterday we were looking at the potential for the market to make a lower high and lower low, and we were looking for follow through and the market to test to lower levels for today's trading, but the market opened and didn't close or didn't trade anywhere down near the low of that day's trading, and therefore just negated that whole potential for that to occur. In terms of Ichimoku, interesting here today, we have a change of trend in the fast time frame, with the market now trading back up above the Tenkan-sen, the green line here, giving us a bullish market in the short-term time frame. Also a bullish market in the long-term time frame and the medium-term time frame by trading above both the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen. And that Kijun-sen is still pointing flat. And as you recall many times, if you listen to my video analysis, you'll recall that that flat Kijun-sen tends to attract price action back towards it. Now if we do see some good follow through in the market take out this level of resistance, we could see the buyers build for an assault on the major high at 1849, and we could then also see that Kijun-sen tick up, but we won't preempt the market. Looking over at the Chikou span, that's above the corresponding price action, so it's supporting the bullishness that we're seeing in all three time frames, but I suggest we do need to be a little bit cautious here, and that's basically because of the volatility that's coming into the market. Obviously over the holiday period we've seen some small bodied candles as the market was oscillating above and below the Tenkan-sen here, and suggesting a market that was directionless in that short-term time frame. But the sell-off yesterday was substantial and does still raise some doubt about whether the buyers will have the momentum to rally the market through the close buy resistance. As I've mentioned, it is a good answer to the selling of the previous day's trading, but it all really does hinge on whether we can take out that close buy resistance.